What's cracking, y'all? I'm back at it. Before I get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the road to 500. So please make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. But on today's video, last time you seen, I put the headers on the motor. And then on this video, like I said, man, last time, your boy had lost some footage. So I do not have footage of me putting the motor actually in the car. After I put the headers on, I put the flywheel on, the clutch, all that, the transmission on. Then from there, I got that, put all that in the engine stand, put the motor in the car. But before I did that, I jacked the car up like that. And then I put the motor in. Motor went in. And then I had to bring my M3 in, use M3 for reference, because all the wiring, all the electrical, all that, I use the M3 for reference. So I pulled the M3 in, use the M3 for reference, so I can make sure everything's right. It starts on the first time, and I ain't got no problems. And I ain't got to take that manifold on and off, on and off, on and off. So, yeah. All right, so got the injectors out. I got the harness for the injectors out. Got that labeled. Got that labeled. Got some stuff over here labeled. Got this labeled. I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. Next, I gotta take this hose off, run that back, take off the all the bolts up top, take the throttle body off, and the 2 bolts on the bottom, and the manifold should come up. So that's next. Manifold. Take this off. Let's get it. All right, now taking off the fuel injectors. Once that come off, we're getting somewhere, man. We can see the bolts. And now the intake. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that thing off there. And let's not forget the throttle body. And I'm still tinkering, still tinkering. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. All right, y'all, so I'm supposed to have everything off. So what I did is I disconnected everything that connects to the intake manifold on the bottom, and then disconnected everything and unbolted everything from the top. So now it should just slide off. Should. One of the sockets I dropped in there. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm marking and labeling everything. So I'm going back and forth between the M3 and the E30, marking stuff so I don't get nothing wrong, man. Oh yeah, your boy getting hype right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You gotta love what you do, man. Oh yeah, it's coming together, man. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little sip, you know what I'm saying? Get my little Starbucks, keep my energy up. It was a gang of long nights up in there, man. I tell you that much. You know what I'm saying? Just vibing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. Get it dub. Get it dub. Get it dub. You know what I'm saying? So finally, everything's labeled up, you know what I'm saying? Taped and labeled. I call it bagged and tagged, you feel me? So yeah, everything's labeled up, you know what I'm saying? So now it's just, little stuff I gotta keep going and keep doing. Still doing cooling hoses and wires and all that. So yeah, man. Yeah, even though everything's connected, man, I still gotta go through, still gotta hook up some connections, still gotta make sure, you know what I'm saying? Things is where they supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm still going through things, still trying to figure out some stuff, connecting some things and all that. So as I find out what things are, and I connect wires, then I start taking off the tape. And once all the tape disappears, then you know everything is connected and right where it's supposed to go. That's why I do it on all the cars I build, so that way, you know, your boy ain't going through no problems or nothing. I just know where everything's at, and when there's no tape, everything's done. Also, zip ties, they play a major role in doing this because I want to keep everything cool, everything away from the hot parts of the engine, and I don't want nothing moving when you're swinging or doing stuff. All right, y'all. So the last time I had put my M3 in here for reference on the wiring to make sure everything was right. And everything is right. I got everything right on here. So I ain't got to do this again. I'm not trying to pull the manifold off and do this again. But anyway, as you know, if you got an E36, this wiring harness is a rat's nest. All this is a rat's nest. So what I did to simplify it, you see that? To simplify it, I zip tied a bunch of wires together and stuff. You feel me? Making sure nothing hits the block. Nothing gets hot. Nothing hitting up under there. Nothing's under there. Nothing. All the wires are ran and cool, so you ain't got no issues. You ain't got no problems. Then I also added the idle control valve. I made a top hose because the top hose, they wanted $70. Connections, all the sensors are connected. Everything is zoned. Also got the idle control valve connected. And swing it, you can do whatever you're gonna do, and nothing gonna get hot. Ain't nothing gonna mess up. All up into here, no wires, nothing's touching under there. We good. Got that up. Got this running to the top of the valve cover. Bottom hose connected. What else? Also, I put a new fuel filter in here. And I went to Home Depot and grabbed some rubber, cut it up, put it in the middle, bolted that down. Got some new fuel lines. You feel me? I'm not playing. Then on the back, if you're just doing this swap for the back, you need to use a heater hose from an M20. So you need a heater hose from an M20 for the rear. And that's that.